Italy's mysterious train disappeared with 104 passengers. No clue found till this date. In the year 1911, it is said about the disappearing of a mysterious train that was already seen in Mexico in the year 1840. There is more than one story to be said about this mysterious train and platforms, but above all, the Italian train which disappeared along with the passengers in the year 1911. A company named Zanetti disappeared into a tunnel before reaching its destination. After that, he did not know anything. The most interesting thing is that it is said about the train he has done time travel with the help of supernatural power. Events before the First World War. The talk starts in June 1911. In June of the same year, an Italian railway company, Zanetti, announced a free ride for a new model of its train. For this, there were 6 railway employees, including 100 passengers. The train had good food and drinks arrangements, and the passengers were waiting to reach the destination comfortably. Meanwhile, the train disappeared after reaching a tunnel. A lot of research was done about the tunnel and the train, but no traces of the train was ever found. These stories later came out. 2 passengers out of 106 people of the train came out safely. He was very mentally disturbed and in a very bad condition. After much treatment and mental health treatment, the traveler finally returned to normal. However, he was not ready to say anything about this accident. Eventually, one of them told that as soon as he reached the tunnel that day, thick white smoke started filling the train. People suddenly got nervous and started screaming. Almost everyone felt that a big accident had happened on the train. It was said the extraterrestrial forces in this chaos. 2 passengers somehow got out of the train. They did not even know how they could come out of the closed train. Later, that tunnel was completely closed. Even after this amazing incident, the mysteries of this train went deeper. According to many people, the train was captured by some supernatural force and they reached the past in time traveling. According to several media reports, it reached Mexico in the 1840s. Decades later, a doctor in Mexico claimed that 104 people were admitted to the hospital in which she works, but all of them had become mentally deranged. They were saying that they had come by some train but could not give any details. Claims of train sightings in many countries, even in many parts of Italy, Russia, Germany, and Romania. This train has been claimed to be seen. Every time the train was seen by the people, it was exactly like the train that disappeared in 1911. No proof found. By the way, no specific evidence is found about this ghost train. At that time, there was local news about the traveling and missing train with many respected locals of Italy, and they were also removed suddenly. It was erased till the incident, but such things come in between which are revealed to the passengers of this missing train. There are many such secrets in the country. Not only other countries, but also many railway stations in our country itself are considered mysterious. For example, the Bencord railway station in Perula of West Bengal was said to be the most haunted station in the country. This station was inaugurated in 1960. It is said that the Santal Queen played an important role in opening it. At the beginning of this station, everything went well, but suddenly, after 7 years, mysterious accidents started happening. The fear began to increase, and the condition became such that the railway people started refusing to work there, and the station was locked. No trains was stopped here for years. Even if the train passed, the local pilots would speed up the train on their route so that ghostly forces do not attack. Booking of the train was stopped from that place. Even the news had gone to the railway ministry, and Bencord was being kept in some of the most haunted stations. In 2009, the then railway minister Mamata Banerjee once again started the Bencord station. No more than 10 trains stop there, but no train stops nor does a traveler wait at night. For about 40 years, foreign tourists came to visit this station who were interested in haunted tourism. By the way, it is another thing that after the resumption of the station, no mysterious activity was ever seen there.